Hello and welcome to the Mpc Smartphone Network. If you're here, it's probably because you saw one of our members put a post up on social media sites, or you got a postcard or a business card from one of our members that's inviting you to join our amazing network. This is something, guys, that's different. This is something that's going to change the way we're making money, and this is definitely going to help you to get to where you need to be financially. Imagine being able to take your smartphone, plug into our system, and start making money today. Plug into our system and start making money today. Well, that is what we're here for. That is what I'm going to be introducing to you, and I hope that this is something that could change your financial situation immediately. First off, I would like to welcome you to the Mpc Smartphone Network. We're a group of like-minded entrepreneurs creating wealth via mobile marketing and networking. If you have ever desired to earn a six-figure income using your mobile device, you're definitely in the right place at the right time, and you're definitely coming into the right community. The Mpc Smartphone Network members can earn by simply inviting others to join our texting community. If you have a smartphone, whether it be Apple or Android, you can join our community and start earning as early as today. How do we do it, and what are our strategies? Well, a lot of people already know that people sit on social media sites all day trying to find a way to make money. You could easily earn $100 to $300 per day just working with Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. We use simple little ad posts, guys, to attract the attention of those who are interested and also making money with their mobile devices. That's it. We simply post a little simple ad. You don't even have to worry about that. We give you the ad for social media sites. Also, we have business card and postcard marketing. The simple passing of a business card or postcard could generate thousands of dollars per week. The business and postcards open doors for conversation, whereas an interested individual could ask their questions to you immediately, and you could get them that answer they need right then and there. More than likely, they're going to join the team, and you're going to start getting paid. That's amazing. Now, everything we do is copy and paste. All mobile copy and paste. Each one of our steps are completely done via mobile texting using our pre-written copy and paste dialogue. Let me say that again so you get it. All of our stuff is done, guys, with pre-written copy and paste stuff that we give you. We give you the copy and paste dialogue, so you don't have to wonder what you're saying, right? You never have to wonder about the content of your text, because our system gives you a step-by-step and easy-to-do instructions along with copy and paste text messages. So everything is done for you. If you can follow simply the steps 1, 2, and 3, and etc., you can quickly start to see results hitting your bank account as early as today, and that is absolutely correct. How do we earn? This is super exciting, guys. Dive into this one with me. How we earn is quite simple. It's all done through what we call mobile monetization. Mobile monetization is when we add an income generator to our phone, either via a mobile app or direct sales system. In our case, we use both. Our direct sales systems called the $10 page generates the income, while the texting is done using a free texting app. Our payment processor is also another well-known app called Cash App. So you will have two apps on your phone, right? It's going to be the texting app and the Cash App, and you're going to have a system on there that generates the money, which is nothing but a referral link. We show you how to do all of this with your phone, man. This is exciting, right? It's nothing that you got to do with your phone company or anything like that. We're not tapping into data or anything like that. You're going to just save a couple of things on your desktop and use them to get paid. That's all we do. We look for people with mobile devices, which is almost everyone if you really think about it. And then we invite them to earn extra money using that device. We send them easy instructions via text messages, which explains what we do, as well as help them to get set up and earn with their device as soon as possible. These are simple website links and applications that we can, that can be added to your phone's desktop within a matter of seconds. For our members' convenience, we use a free texting service. This means that you don't ever have to worry about paying for charges, right? By doing this, you will never be charged for sending or receiving text messages. You will have the ability to text and earn as much as you like. Our Cash App is the payment processor of choice, so the app must be downloaded also to your device so you can start sending and receiving. A lot of people already have Cash App, so that's a no-brainer right there. No recruiting, guys. You got to get this part. A lot of people hate recruiting, and I get it because it's hard, it's difficult. So here we don't have to worry with that. No recruiting is needed because we are doing direct sales marketing. So you're not worrying about none of that crazy recruiting. No teams to build or manage, no matrices to fill, no downlines to supervise. The only thing you got to do, guys, we simply post advertising, inviting people to monetize their phones and get paid daily commissions within our network. That is it. We're not recruiting anybody. Let's take a look at our compensation plan, and I'm going to show you how powerful this is and how much money you could be earning every day, week, and month. This is something that's super simple. And you also got to remember, guys, we're starting off with $10. Right? Everyone comes in as a bronze member. Now, the reason why I say it's bronze is because we have higher levels, but right now we're going to be addressing just the $10 level to get you started, get you making some money with the phone so you can learn how the system works. And as we go along, if you decide that you want to upgrade to the higher levels, which is the 100, the 250, and the 1,000, imagine getting paid $1,000 for a text. Yeah, we got that all set up. When we get ready to go up into those levels, I'm going to do a special training for that to show you how that works. It's pretty much similar to this, except for you're going to be doing upgrades, guys. This is amazing. All right, so let's get started. The bronze texting membership package is a $10 one-time setup fee. There's no administrative fees, and there are absolutely no monthly fees. Once you pay $10, you're in the game and you're set and ready to go. Right? So let's look at our chart to show you how much you could be making every day, week, and month, guys. And these numbers are crazy because this is something that you could be doing. If you like making money with your phone, or you about to get started making money with your phone, all you have to do is follow the simple instructions we give you, and you can hit these great numbers. This here can get you off your job sending text messages. You wouldn't believe this, guys, but this is what's happening. And I'm going to show you how to do it. Let's move from the left to the right and look at our categories on the chart. We have our daily text. This is the amount of text you send per day. This is the converted text. All are $10 right now because we know that we're only getting paid $10 per text. New memberships, right? These are the memberships. That NM stands for new members, right? And this is our text and daily income, which is the DI. That's what that means, daily income. And this tells you how much you make per day based upon how many texts are converted. Okay, I'm going to explain to you what converted means so you get that, right? Also, text and weekly income. That's the WI. That stands for weekly income. And of course, you know that the monthly is the MI. That tells you what you're making every day, month, week, and month. So let me explain to you what converted means. That means that every time you send a text message out, you're going to get paid if that person says that, hey, I want to become a member, send me the link, and then you send the text message with the $10 link in there. When they sign up and they pay you $10, that's what a conversion is. It doesn't mean that every time you send a text, you get paid. You only get paid when members say, yeah, I'm interested. When a person says, rather, I'm interested in becoming a member and I would like to join, send me the instructions. When that happens, guys, you're going to get paid. When they pay you the $10, that hits your bank account through Cash App immediately. So that is what converted means. Converted text means one that has converted and you got paid from it. That is what that means. So you do not get paid just because you send a text out. I want to be clear about that because some people be thinking, well, every time I send a text, I'm supposed to get $10. No. Every time you send a text message out and it converts by that person by joining and paying you $10, it's a converted text. So we got that clear. So let's move forward. Now let's just look at what we're going to do. Let's just say we're going to start with 5 texts per day. If you send out 5 texts per day and those 5 texts convert, if they convert and the 5 people say, well, hey, I want to get it, or the 10, you send out 10 texts and 5 out of the 10 say, yeah, I'm interested. That is what? That is a 5NM, which is a new membership coming in, and you converted that text. Now, basically, let's say with the 5, right? If it's $10 a piece per text and 5 people say, yeah, I want in, no matter how many texts you send, if 5 people say they want in, that's $50 that you earn because each one of the 5 sent you $10, right? That's a total of $50 per day. That is daily income of $50, which isn't bad. That ain't bad at all because it's only going to grow, right? Weekly, you're looking at that being $350 a week. Who could use an extra $350 per week? It's a lot of people that could use that. So yeah, don't count that as being small. A lot of people could use that $350 per week. Plus they did it with the $10 investment and they're doing it with the system that's doing all of the work for them. Yeah, let's be realistic about that. Monthly income, that is $1,400 per month. How would you guys like to make $14 per month? $1,400 MI, monthly income, by basically joining for $10 and sending out a little text message like posting something on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and people join. That's $1,400 per month. That's amazing. Let's move forward. What if you put out 10 texts, right? And 10 texts converts, right? 10 texts convert. If 10 texts convert, that's $100. If 10 people say, yeah, show me this, right? You put out maybe 15 text messages, right? Because people going to say info, please, info, please. When they say information, please, that's when you send them a text. You send them the information telling them what they need to do. They're going to send a text message to you. You're going to receive a text message from them with their information telling you their name, phone number, and email address, and they're telling you that they're interested. At that particular point, you send them back a text message explaining what it is we do and invite them into the club. Then they're told to send another text message back to you saying if they're ready to go. At that point, you send them other information. You get paid. That's it. You see how you're getting paid to text, right? You immediately remove them from social media because you found them on social media, but you remove them from social media by starting the texting process. When you start the texting process, that's how you get paid. So if you're bringing in 10, right? If 10 come in for that day, that's $100 DI, $100 daily income, right? For that day. Wow. Whew, that's a lot of money. For the week, that's $700. Who could use $700, man, for the week? Yeah, some people could use that extra $700 to get through their bills and to buy gasoline and groceries and things of that nature. That is $2,800 extra dollars per month using your smartphone, using a system that's doing all of the work for you. That is amazing. Let's go forward. What if you send out 20 texts? What if 20? And it's so easy to do, guys, because once you post ads on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, you're going to be getting a lot of people saying, info, please. So by the time you turn around, you've sent out 20 text messages in no time flat from maybe one post, because you're telling people that when we give you a post to put up, it's going to generate some leads. Trust me, we're giving you hot posts that's going to generate the leads. So you're going to be hitting these people with these texts, telling them, you're texting them through their, the info, please, they're asking for. You telling them to send you a text message the same way you do with all the others. When they do that, the texting begin. You send them step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, you're paid. That's it. That's it. You're sending the text of what we're giving you to them, then you get paid. If you multiply that 20 people coming in, time that $10, guys, that's $200 per day. $200 for that day. That's a total of $1,400 for that week, a total of $5,600 for the month. Do you see how this thing can explode? This can blow up because of the simple fact the only thing you're doing is sitting back during text messages. What about people that you meet in the street? If I go out today and I pass 10 business cards, say, how would you like to get paid to send text messages? People are going to jump on that. Like, what? All I got to do is send text messages? Yeah, I want in on that, right? So once they jump in, guys, you're getting paid from online, dealing with people on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, as well as people that you could be dealing with offline by inviting them in. That's it, guys. This thing is easy, it's making money, and you can start getting paid today. Plus, check it out, $10, guys. $10 to monetize your phone and start getting paid. And the system that we use, you're going to love it, man, because it's created by a six-figure earner, Mr. Frank Salinas. That $10 system, we call it the $10 page. That thing generates sales over and over and over because guess what? It has great products and services on that page. So people are not just passing $10 around. There's things connected to that page that they can use to make even more money. Guys, this thing is amazing. So right now, get back to the person that sent you this information. Let them know that, yeah, I have a smartphone, I have an Apple or an Android, and I'm ready to tap into this. And yes, I have $10 in Cash App. Let me get set up and let me give this a try. Guys, I'm guaranteeing you that you're going to make some money doing this because people love to use their smartphones. So right now, I want to welcome you to the Mpc Smartphone Network, and I look forward to seeing you at the top. Take care.